Please subscribe and ring the bell to never miss an update. Hello everyone, I am back at TEAM Resale. That's Tomball Emergency Assistance Ministries, and they have half off of housewares and home decor today. So I thought I would stop by and see what's new and what kind of deals I can find. Join me. I always make a beeline for the tabletop area, up the ramp and to the right to discover what dishes they have and maybe some interesting glasses. Let's see what they've got today. I recognize this. I believe that's my pattern from Oneida, the basket weave. Yes, I have so many teacups. I don't think I'll be adding any of those. And Corel is making quite the comeback. And at half price, this is definitely a good opportunity to build your tabletop collection. And the quintessential bread box. It seems to be a form of measurement if it's bigger than a bread box. I love it. And this dusty blue shade is very appealing. I think you could create some lovely table settings with that. Love a good sale. Half price of housewares and home decor. I see some Mikasa, and this is Falstaff. I've seen this same pattern at St. Christopher's Resale. It's sort of colonial, and it's nice that they price it individually, so you could just add a couple of accent pieces to pair with your white dishes. Very nice. And I love a good topless teapot. So many possibilities. This is from Hall, which is a very well-known potter. You could place flowers in these, use these for dessert spoons, the porcelain collectible plates. Oh, I see some snack sets in the back too. These would be nice to display or for serving dessert with different designs. And the hand-painted Limoges plate would be great for cookies or scones. And with the half price sale, that's a pretty good deal. This is a strawberry basket. I bought one for my mother in Germany years ago that looks very similar. Look, $4.50, what a deal. You can wash strawberries, place them inside, and great for serving. This reminds me of the Fostoria American pattern. It's vintage, so it's excluded from the sale, but I did get it. Thought that'd be good for serving for Valentine's or anniversaries. And I like this lonely saucer for $1 at the half price, and that would be good for placing jewelry or soap. So many possibilities. And this golden poppy vase caught my eye. My daughter loves poppies and sunflowers, and it's made in Japan, and it's $4. I'm not in the market for furniture, but I always like to look in this section because they frequently will feature a table setting. This is a really sweet, subtle pattern that looks like it's from the 50s. It is Valmont China Glendale pattern from Japan. And I like this soft, subtle pattern. It would be great for a luncheon or an afternoon tea. And at half price for $75, you've got lots of plates and bowls and even serving pieces. It's a great starter set. And this Duncan Fife cabinet looks really interesting. I think you could either paint it or keep the wood, just refinish it or refurbish it. And in the back of the cabinet, to add a little bit of light for your display, you could place wallpaper or fabric. This is from Joske's of Houston. That takes me back. But definitely add your personality and style to that. And this round table is really neat. I like the fluted edge. Round tables are great for conversation. And the claw feet are very nice. You wouldn't have to use these chairs necessarily. These plates really caught my attention. And wouldn't you know it, they're actually Tracy Porter. Those are hand painted, and I looked up on eBay, they are $30 each. And here they're $2 with the sale. So I'm definitely taking those home. And if you're looking to add a little bit of light to your room, this is the perfect opportunity. Their prices are great. They have interesting shades. I love this animal print pattern. Would definitely add some pizzazz to your corner table. This seems to be a primitive piece. Isn't that neat? 150. And they have accessories to match it. And this grandfather clock would be pretty in any household. Even though it's traditional, you could certainly mix it with other styles. Trays are so practical, and that's an easy way to change up your look. This one is only $2. Put it on your coffee table or place some potted plants on it. This wine opener from Houdini is really a good price. Those are usually $35 at Bed Bath, so that would only be $4 today. This has to be the largest margarita glass I've ever seen. I like the cobalt rim. You could almost serve a soup in it. And these canisters look to be from the Gigi collection. Set of 3 for $35. That's really a good deal. I love the color. It's sort of a papaya red. And these glass dishes, I see so many possibilities. You could place artisan soaps, chocolates. There was an odd peacock in the mix, so I was happy to have that. You could wrap it in cello with a ribbon, give it as a gift. These glass trays are a lot of fun. And this Arthur Court heart-shaped dish is the classic grape and grape leaves look. I'm definitely taking that home for half price. I could fill that with candy. Looks like it's never been used. And I do enjoy looking for hand crocheted doilies and cloths when I'm at resale shops because a lot of love went into making these, and you can place them over a silver tray. Napkin rings are really probably the most important tool in your tabletop arsenal to change up your table look. They don't require a lot of storage space, and you can create a whole new vibe with your bit of bling or traditional wood or beaded. And I always like to look for these at resale shops, even if you only find one of each style. Table runners, I like that they put the sizes on them so I'm not guessing or opening every package. And their prices are amazing on these. So imagine either a bare table or just a neutral color tablecloth, and you add different runners, it changes up your look. They have some that are more brocade and cotton, some with tassels. So many uses for this one. I like the colors in it. And I'm thinking this could be a pashmina or a scarf, but I guess you could use it as a table runner. I do that. This would be great for a masculine table setting. These are Ralph Lauren paisley in neutral colors with a pop of red. And I like the chocolate in it as well. I've got so many ideas for these. And they're from Home Goods. I immediately recognized this fabric as being from France. I have some tea towels that look very similar, the same weave, and the tea towels are over $30 each. So this is definitely a deal. They had a set of 4 of these and then a set of 8 of these napkins that are more sunshine yellow with a touch of gray and a pale, pale lilac, if you can see that at the top. And I'm thinking that you could really brighten up a table with these or use them as tea towels. And 10 napkins for $2, which were half price. This is some hand embroidery work. You never know what they've got. So I suggest you go often to your local charity resale and just scout it out. There's something for every season here. This pretty angel reminds me of something I got at Goodwill in Nashville a while back. It could be Costa Boda, not sure. I have a similar one. And even though it's not Christmas, they still have lots of Christmas items. And for $4, the oval cloth would fit my table. And it's hard to find oval tablecloths. And this is a great place to go for accent plates, snack plates, for Christmas themed. And I have some of these embroidered cocktail napkins already, so now I can add to my set. Really happy to have these. And I immediately recognize this as Vietri. That's a very expensive, casual, upscale dinnerware. And that's a trivet. Isn't that fun for $6? And ornaments are practical, and you can also embellish gifts with them. Just add it to your package and then you set yourself apart. This Holiday Nouveau pattern from Lenox, I have the tablecloths, so I'm glad to have the napkins. And look at these enameled napkin rings. Those go for a lot on Shop Goodwill and on eBay, so this is a good deal. And I don't usually share toys with you, but I thought, you know, why not? Look at that cool Barbie car. That's awesome. And I think resale for kids' toys is always a good idea. You can sanitize them at home, and they're all very well packaged. They're very clean here. I think this is a really great possibility for grandkids. And look, they have tea sets. I was so happy to find these. I'm not in the market for a kids' tea set, but we're really neat. And this floral teapot is from the Sadler Company, made in England. This is one of my favorite teapot lines. They do a lot of royal commemorative pieces that I have. I like to shop the curated selection in the boutique. They have some top labels such as Talbot's, Ann Taylor, Cabby, Coldwater Creek, and it's really easy to find things. They have them separated by size, and they always find something. And they're usually about $8 for a blouse. Sometimes they're even on sale. You can always find something for this season. And this I found, I like the bright color, and it's got that kind of almost tone on tone, sort of a salmon pink. Oh yes, I think I'll add this. And the Vera Bradley purse for $20. It looks like it's brand new. They frequently will have a handbag sale too, so make sure to check the Facebook page. Lots of pretty Vera Bradley patterns. And here's some Chicos. If you're looking for an occasion dress, this is a great source.
I sure had fun shopping at TEAM Resale in the heart of downtown Tomball. It's nice to give back to the community in a small way by purchasing items from their gift boutique. And I found Ralph Lauren, Lenox, Arthur Cord, and some really neat linens. I hope that you go to your local charity resale. And remember that it's shopping with a purpose and you are benefiting your community. Thanks again for joining Lady Mary Beth. Elevate your everyday with thrifting. Thanks for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.